Hello everyone, this is Praveen and welcome back to your channel that is called Technical Yarn with Praveen. So before starting the videos, request everyone to please subscribe my channel, like the video and share my videos, right? It will motivate me to make more and more videos for you. So alright, so let's move to the console. Today we'll learn how to create Windows instance, right? Windows instance and launch it, right? In AWS. Alright, so click on login back. Once I click on login back, it will ask for the credentials. So put the credential, click on next, password. Alright, so now we are on the EC2 consoles. So these are the recently visited icons. So what will you go to services and go to the EC2 instance, right? Before that, please ensure you are in your Mumbai location, right? Your nearby locations you have selected. So okay, so we'll create a new instance, that is Windows one. So click on the launch instance here at the bottom, launch instance. Okay, now we will going to create Windows server. Windows, just give me the name Windows. Okay, Windows, come down, browse, select OS, what OS you want to install. Okay, so let me check what we want to install. We will install Microsoft Windows. Come down, Microsoft Windows free tier. Okay, Microsoft Windows free tier 2019 server. We can select, let me see another options which what we have. Windows Server 2000 base we have. Windows Server 2016 we can also install. Okay, 2016 R2 base. Windows Server 2000 with SQL Server is also there. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's start with the Server 2000. Let's install it. Anything means whatever the free tier in Windows we can install it. So select it. So selected. What you have to create, the next second step was to create what key. You have to create a key. Click on new key pair, give the name Windows over here, Windows. Okay, Windows, and click on create key pair. For Windows, please ensure there is .ppm, not select ppk. Okay, ppk for Linux, pem for Windows. Just type it. I have already this key. Click on create. Once you click on create, it will download over here Windows ppk. Windows, that should be pm. The name is taken ppk, don't see it. pm is the key. Okay, nothing this, we were not going to select this, let it be default. Okay, two things we have done for creating the server. Click on launch instance. Okay, you have to select the key now. So I have selected the downloaded the Windows key. I have selected it from the browser. Okay, launch instance, yeah, that Windows key I have selected. Okay, launch instance, creating security, launch instance group. It has succeed now. Alright, so it's done. So you can also go directly to the EC2 services, then EC2 to see the Windows server which you have created is there or not. Alright, it's loading. Now you can see 5 instances there. You click on it. One instance is Windows which you have created as running state. Okay, initialization is going on, so let it be initialized first. Once this is getting initialized, let me show you some other features what you can do. So what are the features you can see over here? Analytics, application integrations, AWS cost management. You can also do blockchain. You can move your infra to AWS according to whatever you are saying. You can move your database, container. So everything is there, right? Everything you can do from the AWS: robotics, network migration and transfer, media machine. So a lot of things there in AWS. Once you get your free tier account activated, you can see one by one each and everything. Okay, so still initialization is going on, so let it be initialize. Okay, alright, so you can see the checks is already there. So for verifications you can go to EC2. Okay, let me show you from the very first instance running. That should be only one, that is Windows 1, which you have created. Click on that. So now you can see that is a running state. Checks also performed. Click on the Windows, and for this connecting Windows, right, just do one thing: right click on the system and click on connect. Okay, just you want to RDP, just click on this RDP connect. Okay, come down. So you need the password as well, right? So come down, click on get password. You have to browse your browser key. Just browse it. Where is my key? Let me show you. Windows PM. You can see Windows PM, right? Collect it. Now you can see. Discrete password. Now the password is for connecting the server is here. Copy it. So click on download remote desktop file to launch it. I have already downloaded it. Windows RDP. Okay, let's go to the Windows RDP. Okay, let me show you how to download it. Once I click on the download remote desktop file, it will download it over here like this, right? Click on connect. Administrator is by default whatever the password over showing here, right, which you have generated. Just paste it and click on OK. When the password is not taken, let me check why. Alright guys, so just copy the password. Ensure there should no any space, otherwise it will give you error. So click over here, take the complete password, copy, and whatever the downloaded remote desktop file, right, RDP, just double click on connect. So you can see username administrator, already administrator, password is here. Click the password, click on OK. Alright, so you get the console, click on yes. Now you are good to go. You will get your Windows server. It's taking some time to download the prerequisite. The desktop icons, the taskbar and all will show in a while, so be on the screen. Give us some time. Let's see when it's come. Okay, alright, it's loading. Please wait for the username profile creation. It's taking some time. Alright, so you can see your desktop is ready. The AWS Windows server is ready to use. Okay, so let's test it. You can see your host name is here, your IP address and all those things. Okay, so go to the start and click on the Internet Explorer. Let's see. Alright, so now it's launch. Let's try to open some page that is called google.com. Type google.com and enter. Alright, here you can see this pop-up will come because this is the server, right? So continue, just uncheck here and then close. Yeah, search something like rose, enter. Now you can see the internet is working fine. You can do anything, right? So for disconnecting the servers, go to the Windows icon, select over here, click on disconnect. So now we have disconnected the servers. So next step would be go to your S2 instance. I have bookmarked it, that's why it's coming. So I will show how to bookmark it. Okay, let me show you. Once you click on services, it's loading. 1 minute. You can see I have bookmarked. On bookmark icon, if you want to console them, just click on this star, it will bookmark, and you will be able to see over here, right here. So click on the running instance. The last step is to stop this Windows server if you are not using, or if you are leaving the system. Right click and stop the instance. So now today we will learn how to create a AWS Windows instance. If you like this video, please click on the like button, subscribe the channel, and in our next video we will see how to change .ppk keygen, right, to .pem. Sometimes what happen, we download the Windows ppk as security key, right, but what if we need .pem file, right, so we have to convert it to pem. So we will see in our next video. So till the time, keep sharing my videos, click on subscribe button, click on like button, and now bye bye, take care.